folks, welcome back to another daily vlog. It is Tuesday afternoon and Chris did a video yesterday, so I'm going to do one today, and I'm probably not going to talk too much about what's out here because I imagine Chris probably went through all the jobs. The only thing he won't have gone through is that one, because that arrived today on the back of a low loader. And that's in the cat. Someone's stolen the cat. So another one of those lovely jobs. But the trouble with that one is it's an automatic. So getting hold of the automatic cats is really difficult. So we normally end up fabricating it to. I'm going to stand back here a bit before I finish that conversation because it got all loud in there. Yeah, we normally end up fabricating it to because it's just easier to do that than try and get hold of the real cats, and the price of them is very expensive, so it works out cheaper for us to actually make something. And they're having one of our cat guards fitted as well. Right, I'm just going to go straight to Roy, I think. Is that heavy? No? Is it all right? You sure? Go in purple. I should have followed him all the way, really. Right. Going under. Mr. Roy, you alright?
Yeah.
Good. So, I guess Chris spoke to you with this one yesterday.
Yep. I was just priming this yesterday.
Oh, okay.
So I had inner seal and seal end plate in. The other side had nothing in.
Right.
As you see, the outer panel's now on.
It's coming along well.
Yeah, and I've only got the outer panel on the other side to do now.
Inner seal all in. Any box section?
No,
That's
just
good.
a little bit there on the back end.
Right.
So not too bad.
Other side?
Other side, I have
Exhaust.
welded the seal and the seal end plate on this morning.
Alright.
So I'm just going to do the outer panel now.
Cool.
And then it can go off to paint.
Another jobbed-ish.
Right.
Cam cover gasket's already done on this one, isn't it?
It was, yeah.
Yeah. Is that it? Any other mechanical works?
No, nothing at all.
Okay. Wheel refurb.
They've gone off this morning.
Oh, they went off already? Okay.
Yeah.
So, you'll be able to see the euphonic wheel refurbishment when they come back.
All refurbed, looking nice and new.
Cool.
Goodbye! Is that loud enough?
Goodbye. Yeah. So Roy's taking the mickey because I've told everyone to speak a bit louder because there's a big difference between my voice and everyone else's voice because I'm closer to the microphone. It can all be a bit Austin Powers.
What?
It seemed to have lost I don't know, I've forgotten it. That looks like a seal going on, Ash.
Almost. Almost! Yeah, getting there.
Good. Cool. End plates on. Where was it when Chris looked at it yesterday?
I think I just finished the last bit of the inner upright.
Right. Let's have a look at that. Okay, floor to seal panels looking good. Woo. Armed camera interface there, Ash.
Almost.
Oh, okay, you started rebuilding this piece. That's a complicated piece to do that.
Yeah, to make it up in several sections.
Yeah.
I just done that. Just checking.
So you got your return. Yeah. Okay, inner upright. All right. We are looking to recreate this panel at a later date, but that's what we're doing at the minute. All right. Okay. I'll leave you to it.
You do that.
Thank you.
Bye.
Don't forget that bit.
No, you.
All right.
Yeah, I'm all good. Yes, chassis rails done on this one. So they've all been chassis railed.
They've gone well.
But yeah, considering it was supercharged and there was other bits and pieces that I had to do and brackets in different places. Just fixed the AEM wideband, got another sensor in that. And just about to do a free inspection on it and then get it booked into MOT. Yeah, we've got a quote for that.
Oh, okay, we're quoting for that.
Yeah,
All
well,
right.
that'll be new wings, basically.
Yeah.
New wings, or new wing. This one's rusty, but nowhere near as bad.
It's going, isn't it?
Yeah.
So that'll be wings, clean up behind and everything else, won't it?
Yeah, I think it's all right behind. I mean, this you can see behind on that one.
I'm getting dizzy, Ted.
You can.
Okay, who's growing up now watching this?
So you can see behind actually looks pretty good.
Oh yeah, okay, yeah.
Which I think when we did some work on this, I don't know.
Did we clean those up? I don't think so. I don't think we had wings
I
off.
don't think we have.
No, I don't think we have. All right.
Yeah, so that's
Not
that.
not
So-
a lot to show really.
No, and then get it booked in for an MOT.
Oh, okay.
This is supercharged. I don't think
Emissions.
I don't think it goes straight away. And obviously I'm not here Thursday, so I'll try and get it booked in tomorrow. So I'll be able to do it then.
What do you do next? Apart from that.
A gearbox. Oh, I've got two. I've got a choice actually. I could probably bring the AC compressor one in.
Has that arrived? Is that what's in that box?
No. Well, it's here somewhere. There it is. There. Yeah, this is the
I thought you'd ordered a new one.
no second hand.
Oh, okay, new second hand.
Yeah, but it's new to me, and it'll be new to the customer. No, I think customer does know. He was actually quite pleased that I managed to find it,
Oh, was he?
and it was under half the price of the other one.
Oh, really? What, the one that was wrong?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, he did tell me on the phone. He said I did tell Gareth.
Yeah, he did. He did tell me. And had I remembered to mention that
Yeah,
to
we
you,
did,
it would have been all right.
We did talk about it on the previous
Yeah.
video. So, but yeah, there was one for sale, second hand, and all spins okay. So
Sweet.
I think I might be able to put that on and then start the gearbox tomorrow.
Okay.
Right, I'll see you later.
Thanks.
Bye.
See you, Mr. Grant. You all right?
What was your
So,
German athlete?
yeah.
N-seals. Seal.
N-seal, seal
Seals.
type things.
At the end.
So this came in for MOT, didn't it?
Yeah.
Well, it came in for, what was it? There was some mechanical works, wasn't there? Can't remember.
Yeah, brakes. Yeah, we went through this yesterday.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Brakes,
We've gone through it. We
radius,
won't. Yeah. We won't.
yeah.
We won't go through it too many more times.
Too many more times.
So yeah, failed on seals. So Grant's now doing the seals.
Yeah.
Cracking on with that one nicely.
Yeah,
How was the seal end plate like? All right.
yeah, pretty good.
Oh, it's good
Not
actually,
on
yeah.
the outside, but
Is the other side cut out now?
no, I'm okay with it. Side might need a bit of work.
No, he's definitely. Yeah, he'll definitely need something.
Yeah,
All right.
definitely.
Well, we'll tune in tomorrow to see that
Yeah.
side done and this side cut open. Yeah.
Absolutely. It depends
Oh.
what time tomorrow. Shh.
Okay.
Don't film me. Shut up.
Okay, mate.
see you
Thanks for that. See ya. Right. Okay. Actually, we'll just go through quickly and see Ollie because we've got a subject we want to sort of do in a video because there's a lot of, well, let's say rubbish out there, misleading rubbish about E10, isn't there? Ollie.
There might be. All over Facebook, all
Yeah.
the kind of
So we want to.
self-diagnosed.
Ollie is currently sort of drafting his technical video on myth busting. Myth busting, is that the right word? Probably isn't, is it?
Probably is the best way for it.
Yeah, myth
Rust
bust.
busting because it's MX5.
Myth busting E10.
Yeah, so basically what we're going to go through.
Sorry about the
is
phone, folks.
What it is, why everyone's doing it, what the rumours are, and basically what the damage is or said to be, and then we're just going to go through and debunk all of it. So there's no more cloudiness over anyone's kind of like perspective of it, and no one wastes any money by people that are saying that you need to change it. So
And the general gist of it is it's going to be all right.
it's going to be alright.
Okay, good. Thanks, Ollie.
It's alright.
All right, guys. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye bye.